Hello everyone, and today we will talk about print-on-demand business, and it will be a Redbubble related video, but not exactly about Redbubble. This video is about best alternatives to Redbubble and where you should sell your art to make some money. If you by any reason don't want or don't have a possibility to sell on Redbubble. Yes, of course, Redbubble is a great platform where you can make a lot of money, and especially if you have some pop art designs and some funny stuff, funny designs, it can be very profitable on this platform, but there are a lot of other places where you can also sell your works. And I want to start with TeePublic because it's the most relative platform to Redbubble. Redbubble also own TeePublic. A couple of years ago it was completely different platforms, but since then Redbubble bought TeePublic platform, and now it is one company, but different sites, different platforms, and especially different audiences. So the target audience on TeePublic will be quite similar to Redbubble, but different. And why I also want to start from TeePublic is because here you can register very simple, and you will not need a lot of time to upload your designs. It's made in very comfortable way, so even if you are not so good in computers or in cell optimization, you can simply add your artworks, and you should also get some sales through this platform. It is easy and very fast. A couple other words about TeePublic. Here you can sell almost everything on any topic. Yes, of course they have their community guidelines, and you are not allowed to upload something with intellectual property infringements or something else like that. But if you are creating some basic stuff, you can upload it here, and almost anything can be sold on TeePublic. If on Redbubble you want to make something from pop art, here you can post and simple designs and the difficult ones, and all of them can make some sales. The more designs you will have on TeePublic, the more sales you will get. And every month they have at least 6-7 days with sales, and when there is a sale period, you will get less from each sale, but the amount of sales will grow. You also cannot choose what will be your margin from a sale like on Redbubble, but to be honest, if you have a lot of designs on TeePublic, you can earn quite well on this platform. The next one is, of course, Amazon. Merged by Amazon is one of the possibilities to sell your art to, and of course there are a lot of customers on Amazon, very good traffic on this platform, but there are some main difficulties that you will face trying to sell on Amazon. And the first one is the registration process. I have a video about registration on Merged by Amazon, because it's not as simple as only register. Now you need to send a request to be able to sell on Merged by Amazon, and often it takes a lot of time to be approved. And also when you will be approved, you will face another problem, because you have only 10 designs that are available for upload. Yes, of course, when you will get some sales, Amazon will give you a bigger tier and you can upload more designs. But on this first stages of developing of your Amazon account, it's quite difficult to grow fast. And if we will go to shorts category on Amazon, we can see a lot of shorts that are made from Merged by Amazon. For example, these ones, this for sure, and I think this one can be too. It's not because it's not only about shorts, it's about long sleeves, pullovers, and also different premium shorts, hoodies, and other kind of stuff. And of course you can sell not only on US Amazon, but also in Germany, in UK, in Japan, Spain, Italy, and France, as I remember. And of course, time to time, Amazon add new possibilities, new markets where you can also upload your designs. Really good source of sales, but you need time to grow here, and usually first year you will not get a lot of sales here, but of course you can also set your margin, and even from one t-shirt sale you can earn 5, 8 or even more dollars. So it's a very profitable variant to sell on Merch by Amazon. Okay, let's go forward, and the next platform is Etsy. Etsy is a platform a marketplace to sell handcraft, mainly handcraft, but also you can find a lot of shorts. For example, for Christmas, if we will go here, we can see a lot of Christmas shorts that are simple print-on-demand shorts, and they get a lot of sales too. And of course you can choose your own price for any listing, for any design that you have, but you need to do additional efforts because you need some print provider or some service that will print this short for you and will sell to customers if you want to settle a print-on-demand business. The main variants are Printify, Printful, and Guten, but it's the topic of another video, so subscribe to this channel to get more info about synchronization of these platforms and about sales in internet in general. Next platform is Designed by Humans. It's a really interesting and good platform. It's quite similar to Redbubble because there is a big demand for pop art designs, but to be honest, I really dislike the way in which you should upload your designs to this platform. It takes a lot of time, and usually you will be making a lot of effort simply to upload one of your designs and then wait for some sales. But anyway, you can get a lot of sales here if you are making a lot of interesting and trendy designs. It's more for trendy art, and if you like to make such kind of art, this platform is definitely for you. And the fifth platform to sell on is Society 6. It's the next alternative to Redbubble. That is quite an old alternative and quite an old platform, but here is a lot of possibilities for sales too. You can sell your design on very different products, not only apparel like t-shirts, hoodies, but also wall art, home decor, and other ones. Yes, the competition on this platform isn't very low, but if you have some interesting designs, you can upload it here too, and you get some sales. Usually not so much like on Redbubble or TeePublic or Amazon or Etsy, but some share of your sales you can get here too. So it's a good possibility to make more from the same design that you have. So it was 5 main alternatives to Redbubble, and in general, the more platforms you use, the more money you will make. So it is usually a very good idea to upload your design on different platforms, and it will give you a bigger diversification too. And that's all for today. Subscribe to this channel, and I wish you a good sales. Bye.